Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this training series, we're going to cover automotive tire chains, referring to tire chains used for traction devices for driving in deep snow, ice, or just general poor weather conditions, or when they're required by law. Basically, there's two different types of chains that are out and available, and they kind of fall, there's a lot of different variations, but they kind of fall in two brackets of cable chains and standard chains, which is like a standard tow chain style length, and a cable chain being of like aircraft grade cable rather than chain components. And we'll go over those two different types and how to install, pre-fit the chains, and some basic driving tips for operating the chains, for operating the vehicle safely when the chains are on it. And we'll both go over the pre-fitting and the actual putting the chains on if you're in an inclement weather situation. Okay, so please watch our first segment. We'll cover the different types of automotive chains and go through their uses and applications.